This was a completely frozen up Kenmore 1311. It's part of the Soryu series of machines made by the Soryu factory. It's a flatbed version, very similar to the 1560, but the 1560 is a free arm. This is a flatbed, but it's got the same basic stitches, except for this does not have the pretty decorative scallop stitch or the little brick-like domino stitches that the 1560 has. However, this was completely solidly frozen, and it has taken a lot of cleaning and oiling, and I've even broken down and used teeny bits of WD-40 in the really tight spaces. Not only was everything completely frozen, and in particular the camstack, both ends was frozen, and so even when everything else was freed up, because that would not turn with the hand wheel, you know, that's not good for the machine, but it stayed mostly frozen until I was able to finally get that freed up. I did use a tiny bit after I had cleaned and oiled, soaked it overnight, cleaned and oiled some more, and then I finally used a tiny bit of heat from a hairdryer aimed at the gear there, the ends of that where it needs to turn, and down at the reverse section down here to help get things worked in. But now it's all freed up and actually runs beautifully. It's not on the table, so it's running nice and smooth. It was tapping on it at first. I really with the reverse to get the reverse to stop tapping all of it. But now the reverse fixes took a lot of extra cleaning, particularly down in the reverse mechanism. So it's all freed up and going now. But anyway, that's the Sears Kenmore 1311 by the Soryu factory. Good machine once it's unfrozen, cleaned up and oiled and running properly.